In this video, we can talk about top 5 Murf AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you have come here to find alternatives to Murf AI, then you made the right decision. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives to Murf AI, which include Veed IO, Pictory, InVideo, Synthesia, and Descript. First up, we have Veed IO. Veed IO is a powerful online video editing platform that offers a wide range of features. It offers features like video ad maker, video trimmer, social media engagement, and automatic audio transcription. With its user-friendly interface and cloud-based approach, Veed IO makes video editing a breeze. One of its standout features is to create catchy advertisement videos within minutes. Next on our list is Pictory. Pictory is an AI-driven video creation platform that simplifies the process of creating engaging videos. It offers features like pre-designed templates, text-to-video templates, auto-caption videos, and auto-transcribe videos. Whether you're creating marketing videos or social media content, Pictory has got you covered. One of the standout features of Pictory is its vast library of stock footage to help you bring your ideas to life. Moving on, we have InVideo. InVideo is an intuitive online video editor suitable for both beginners and professionals. It offers features like media library, social sharing, video templates, and video editor. Whether it's a promotional clip for your brand or a personal project, you can customize your video to reflect your creativity and style. One of the standout features of InVideo is its full range of powerful video capabilities. Our fourth alternative is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video synthesis platform that specializes in generating realistic human-like videos. It offers features like custom avatars, PowerPoint to video, text to video, and video avatars. Synthesia is a game-changer for businesses looking to personalize their video content at scale. One of the standout features of Synthesia is its ability to create fully personalized videos. Last but not least, we have Descript. Descript is a game-changing platform that streamlines the entire video and podcast creation process. It offers features like podcasting, screen recording, video editing, and creating AI voices. With Descript, you can easily collaborate with your team and create engaging videos in no time. One of the standout features of Descript is its ability to transcribe audio and video files in minutes and with great accuracy. Compared to Murf AI, Veed IO offers a powerful online video editing platform with a wide range of features. Pictory, on the other hand, simplifies the video creation process with pre-designed templates and a vast stock footage library. InVideo offers a range of templates, effects, and transitions for easy video editing. Synthesia is another alternative that stands out with its AI video synthesis capabilities. And lastly, there's Descript that provides text-based video and audio editing with automatic transcription. After trying and testing all the 5 video creation tools mentioned here, we would recommend Descript as the best alternative to Murf AI. Its text-based editing and automatic transcription features set it apart and offer a unique approach to video editing. If you're looking for a versatile video editing tool with collaborative capabilities, Descript is the way to go. So, there you have it, the top 5 alternatives to Murf AI. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or a professional seeking advanced editing capabilities, these alternatives offer a wide range of features to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.